Hello, this is Smileteacher, and in today's lesson we will talk about third conditional. So, let's dive in. Why third conditional? We use it to talk about imaginary situations in the past, so we are no longer talking about present nor future. As we said, unreal or imaginary situations in the past. Take a look at this example. If I had studied architecture, I would have become an architect. She's not an architect right now, but if she had studied architecture in the past, right now she would have become an architect. She's not. Maybe she's a doctor. How do we make this grammar? This is our previous example. This is called our if clause. In our if clause, we need if plus subject plus past perfect. If you don't remember past perfect, for all of our subjects, we need had plus past participle or third form of the verb. And in our main clause, we need subject plus would, and also you can use could, might instead of would, but have is fixed, plus third form or past participle form of the verb. The past participle of the verb become is also become. Another reason to use third conditional, to express regret. Look at this example. If I hadn't texted until midnight, negative form of past perfect, I would have woken up in my bed this morning. Regret about past. Another reason for using third conditional, to criticize somebody or something. If he hadn't spent his money, he wouldn't have gone bankrupt. Let's practice. In your practice section, you can see 3 different activities. In the first one, you're going to fill in the gaps with correct form of third conditional. In second activity, you are going to use your own ideas. And in third one, you just need to match. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the last slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. Do this exercise and then check the answer key. For activity number 2, please write your own answers in the comment section below. Then I can check with you.